Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Right, so I'm here, and maybe this is our last dinner in Hangzhou. Oh no, we got one more tomorrow. But yeah, we have a new restaurant to try near Sofitel. What's the name of this restaurant, Kali?
黄焖鸡米饭，
Slowly, please, for the viewers.
黄焖鸡米饭 means
Okay.
chicken
Is
rice.
that right?
圣当家 no, like this is the 招牌 like classic their specialty here, and this is their brand name.
So this is a chicken rice
Yeah,
place.
chicken rice.
Chicken rice place
Clay pot.
with clay pot. Okay, so that's nice. We've been here 13 days now.
13.
13 now.
13.
13, 1-3. But this is the person who brought us here.
Can I order more?
This is my chicken. Mama, chicken.
Spicy, bro.
Okay, chicken. Juicy. Oh, yummy.
Mainit, coach.
Try mo. Hot pot. It's hot pot.
Hot pot.
Hot pot.
Hot pot.
I don't know. It's a clay pot.
Clay pot.
Clay pot. Yeah,
Clay pot. Pwede laruan.
Clay pot chicken. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna sit there because this is Lily's Kali's seat.
The big one. Where's mine? The big one. Baka sa akin yung
This is Lily.
coach. Baka sa akin yung malaki.
So apparently this is a rice all you can place. So that's good. That is good. Rice all you can place. Chicken rice. This taste. I'm not gonna use chopstick anymore. This is much more easier. It was so spicy, Bboy took it from me. Bboy can handle it. Thank you, Bboy!
Walang ano man.
I'm not sure if Bboy can really handle it, but I like spicy, but not right now. Ano yan?
Iinit yung pet ko bago sa siya.
Yung butas?
Oo.
Alright, so we are back here in Mauna Loa and Hawaii. And yeah, we're just gonna have a couple of drinks. And then we're gonna celebrate my birthday today. Just a couple of drinks to
No puta. Maham kita.
No, why are you saying to them? Say to Bboy.
Maham kita.
Wow! Ba't kinikilig ka?
Lalasing kasi pinupulo na si Bboy.
Kinikilig!
Iyak sila nito. Yung kaibigan natin magpapahiman na.
Thank you, CFS. Shout out to you guys. They sent me this a birthday cake.
Yeah, happy birthday!
I think I'm just going to give this to the staff. Cause yeah, I might ruin it. Another tip for them. Bigyan ko na ng tip eh. Binigyan nyo ba ng tip yung staff? Diyan.
Wala ka ba eh.
Bigyan ko na siya eh. Yeah, there you go. CFS sent me this.
Understand?
May lighter ka? Lighter?
Oh,
Look at that.
take a picture, babe.
I already took one.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
And then you hold it.
Hold on.
Wow. What's this? It's like crime spot. I'll take your
Hold
picture.
on. Wait. Yan na.
Yan.
Alright, let's go. Okay, go boys, sing. Hino, yung mababa ah.
Meron niyo ako.
Okay.
Happy birthday!
Happy
birthday!
Hirap sabay na. Wala na. Unpredictable happen.
Kayo!
Alright, so thank you guys, SDJ, sana. Next year.
Kana!
Sana next year, maulit natin itong repeat. At nakita nyo naman yung mamali natin, huwag na natin maulit. Okay?
Is there English version? English version.
Hopefully next year we're still going to do this. We're going to win 3 times because we wanna win every tournament in the Philippines. And guys, we know what what went wrong. Let's not repeat all our mistakes and let's pray hard. Jayo!
Yay! Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy.
Pagpagan nyo yung ano yung usok, baka mas ma-detect ng smoke detector. Sing, happy birthday.
生日快乐！祝我的 coach 生日快乐！
Sing
生日快乐！祝你生日快乐！祝你生日快乐！
Why it sounds so
祝你生
hard?
日快乐！祝你生。
Thank you. Bye.